Two identical balls are approaching to each other with the different speeds, as you see, but both have the same mass because they are identical, and they collide head on head collision, which means that they collide on a straight line. The one ball does not collide on the edge of the other ball, which means after collision they are still moving in the same line. So if we find out its initial momentum, and by the way, you have to find out the momentum after the collision, what is the possible, which one of these is the possible option after the collision. So let's find out the total momentum before collision, which is the product of like sum of all momentums before collision. So it is mass times velocity. So 8m positive because it is directed towards the right, plus into negative 4m, which momentum is towards left. That's why it is negative. So we find that the total momentum is 4m kilogram meter per second. So it means that according to the law of conservation of momentum, the total momentum after collision must be same as well. So question is that why the momentums are equal before and after collision? Let's find out this fact. Okay, the reason of this fact. So this is, let's say, the object 1 and this is the ball 2. During the collision, the two balls are interacting. So we will say the ball 1 is applying on ball 2 this force. So I'm saying 1 on 2. As a reaction, same force will be applied. So focus the word same. Same force will be applied, but in the opposite direction. That will be 2 on 1. So when we say the same force will be applied, magnitudes are same, which means that their rate of change of momentums will be also equal, and their change of momentums will be also same. So same force. Now if we find out the momentums after collision, and these are all the cases after collision. So in the first case it should be 5m plus 7m, that is equals to 12m. So 12m kilogram meter per second towards the right, which is not 4m. Its answer is 2m towards the right. Okay, so last but not least, 1 into m plus 3 into m is equals to 4m kilogram meter per second towards the right. So that must be the right answer. So option B is the right answer.